Hey, in this video I'm going to share a little waiting song, something that I made up that you can use in virtually any situation that you find yourself waiting with your children. Waiting can be hard for adults and children alike. It's just hard to wait for something that you're really wanting. This song can help your child understand that waiting doesn't usually last forever. There's an end point to waiting, and you can have fun while you wait by singing this song, and also you can realize that after the song is over, the wait might also be over too. So some examples that you could do are waiting, 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 waiting for my food to cool down. Waiting, 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 waiting for my food to cool down. And then you could blow on the food. You can teach them how to blow on it. Another example is waiting, 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 waiting for the light to turn green. Waiting, 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 waiting for the light to turn green. So now you know the tune. You can fit pretty much anything that you're waiting for in the lyrics. You can just create your own song with that little melody, and as you're waiting to cross the street maybe, and you're waiting for the cars to zoom by, you can sing waiting, 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 waiting to cross the street, waiting, 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 waiting to cross the street, cross the street. So you are making a situation that is sometimes hard and challenging for children. You're making it fun by adding song to it, and you're also adding language and vocabulary to an everyday little interaction with your child in the context that they're seeing the words. So they're seeing the cars going by, so you're waiting for the cars. So as you're singing about car, they're seeing a car go by, and that's just like cementing the idea that this object that they're seeing drive is called a car. And so every time they hear that word and they connect it with the car driving by, it's creating neural pathways in their brain that are connecting words to objects and helping them to understand what they are seeing. Not only can you use the song for waiting, you can also use it to teach verbs. Verbs are those action words like running, jumping, sleeping, eating, playing, crunching, squishing, sliding, stepping, all those kind of ing words that are action words you can put to the same melody. So you can say walking, 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 walking down the street, walking to the playground, go, 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 go. So you can make up a really simple song to whatever you're doing. Jumping, 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 jumping on the trampoline, trampoline, jumping, 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 jumping on the trampoline, trampoline. So they're learning the word jumping, they're learning the word trampoline, they're learning the word on. And so they're learning many words in one simple little fun song. So try this out this week. See how this goes with your child, the waiting song, and then also the song to introduce verbs. One thing that's great about verbs is that a lot of times when children first are learning how to say words, most of the words that they're saying are nouns. They're people, places, and things, because nouns are tangible objects, things that you can see. You can't see a jump. You can't see a run very easily. Like, it's harder to describe that. It's more of a descriptive action word. When you're able to teach your child a verb plus the noun that comes more naturally, they can attach the verb to the noun and start to create a small sentence. So they could say, Mama jump, or I eat. So they're combining a noun and a verb together to make a sentence. So verbs are very important to creating sentences, and so by singing a song like this, you're introducing lots of different verbs to them throughout their day. I am Adrienne, by the way. I'm a pediatric speech-language pathologist, and I am also a mama of two boys. They're 18 months old and 3 years old right now. They're 20 months apart, so our life is very full and busy right now. I use these songs with them, and it's really fun to see my 18-month-old singing the waiting song now. He's not saying it perfectly, of course, at this age. He's more like, way, wee, or da, da, waiting, 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 in the way that he says waiting. And so he's understanding the concept of waiting, and he's also enjoying singing that little tune to himself now. So I hope you enjoy this song. Let me know how it goes. Are there any other ways that you can think of using this song? I would love to hear in the comments below how you plan on using this with your child. If you think you'll try it out, let me know. In the meantime, there's a ton of videos on my YouTube channel and on my website at learnwithadrienne.com. This video is just one of many that I've released over the years that help your child to communicate clearly, listen well, and gain life skills for their future. I also have 2 online classes. One is for children who are not talking yet, or who are just saying a couple words and you're a little bit concerned that they're falling behind on language development, or they're starting to get frustrated that they can't talk. This helps children go from babbling to saying words, sentences, and then having conversations back and forth with you. And then my second class is an online sign language class for beginners where you learn the most basic 300 sign language words in 30 days. So that's all over at my website at learnwithadrienne.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.